Good morning class. Today we are going to start new chapter number 8, articles. Chapter number 8, articles. Articles are used to point out or to refer to noun or phrase to determine if they are specific or non-specific. Means specific means particular or non-particular. There are two type of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite and indefinite. Definite means the, indefinite means a and an. Indefinite articles a and an is used before countable noun and some adjective. Means we use a or an before any countable noun or before adjective. The use of a and an is determined by sound. A and an is determined by sound. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Means if the word is beginning with vowel sound means a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. If the word is starting with any vowel sound, then we have to use an. If the word started with any consonant sound, then we have to use a. For examples, an enemy, an essay, an easy question, an ass, an hours, an orange. Class, art. Start with H. H is not vowel, but the sound is vowel. S is silence in this word and R, O sound. Means O का sound आ रहा, so R is before R we have to use an. Now, it should be noticed that some words like are, honest and here begin with a vowel sound. Ear, that is ear, begin with a vowel sound as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. Means we don't pronounce H. So we use the articles and before them. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. Means if the word is starting with any consonant sound, then we have to use a. You know class what is vowel and what is consonant? Means a, e, I, o, u. Except these five, rest letters are known as consonant and their pronunciation is different to each other. So we use a and n not according to the vowel or consonant, but according to the vowel sound or consonant sound. For example, a girl, a woman, a horse, a union, a university, a European. Class, union, university and European start with vowel letter but pronunciation is not vowel. U है, union U, a sound नहीं है. University again U sound, not a sound. European again U sound, not a sound. Means whenever there is a, e, I sound, a means a, e or I sound, means the word is vowel, start with vowel sound. As enemy E, easy E, as a, means E, I, O, U, E. E, A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowel, but the pronunciation is different. Means sometimes we pronounce it as U and sometime a, e, I, o. Means whenever there is u sound, so it is not consonant, it is not vowel sound. So class, this is enough for today. Then in the next video I will explain it in the detail.